Hi, welcome to Software Basics. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download JDK for Windows 10. Now the first thing you should do is go to oracle.com/technetwork/Java. I usually recommend this way because I like to see all the different software that Oracle have. Now you could just simply enter into Google JDK download and you should be able to find some sort of link. But yeah, so for this video we're going to click on Java SE. Now I'm actually going to download the latest version of JDK, which is 12.0.1. Now the long-term support is 11.0.3. If you prefer to go with the long-term support, then you can do that, but I only need it for basic development, so I usually like to go with the latest version. So just click on the download link and make sure you accept the license agreement, and I'm going to click on the XE download. Now it may ask you to sign into your Oracle account. If you don't have one, you can easily make an Oracle account. I recommend you have one anyway. Now I've actually already downloaded this, so I'll go to my downloads folder. So just simply run the XE file, make sure you hit next, and then choose where you'd like to install it. I definitely recommend you leave it as the default. And then once that's completed, just click close. So yeah, now JDK is installed, but you still need to make one last configuration, which is set your environmental variable path. Now on Windows 10 it's actually quite easy. You can just simply hit the start button and type in path. Now that's the quickest option for getting to your environment variables. Now you can also do it a different way. There are a few other ways you can do it. You can open up your file explorer and you can right click on this PC, go to properties, go to advanced system settings, and then click on environment variables. So the next thing we need to do is open up our C drive and then go to program files and then scroll down to Java, JDK 12 and bin, and just simply copy this link. And then we'll just go back to environment variables, double click on path, click on new, and paste into that section, and then just simply click on OK, and then OK again. And then to simply test this, just open up CMD, so you can hit the start button, type in CMD, and then just simply type in Java-version, and you can see it tells us the JDK version that we have installed. You can also type in Java C-version, and this will tell you basically that the Java compiler is also functioning. So yeah, that pretty much concludes the video. If this helps you out, please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.